right, this week our spelling words have the long I in them. And there's all kinds of ways that we would spell the long I. For one, sometimes the I by itself doesn't say it says I, like in kind, which will be one of our spelling words. Another way we say I is like I-G-H. Whenever we see I-G-H together, that says I, like in our Lindsay Nights. Nights. Another way is a Y on the end. What is a, oh, you can't see that, I'm sorry. A Y on the end. Now, we've already done some words when the Y says what? What? No? E, yes, like slowly. But this week, the Y is going to say I, like in one of our spelling words, spy. Spy. Okay, so that's one of them. And then we've already learned the I with the sneaky E, like in 9. And then another one, this one won't be in our spelling words, but it'll be some of our sounding out words that we do, some of our phonics this week. I-E, remember when two vowels walk, the first one does the talking. So when two vowels are together, usually the first one says its name. So this would be like in yummy pie, okay? So these are all the different ways to sound out the long I sound. So we're going to have spelling words that have the long I sound. Our spelling words this week are also going to have silent word letters, and we've already learned these. Remember when we have the M, B together, which one do we only hear, Xavier? The M. This just says That's what it says. What about G-H? What does this say, Gracie? G. We just hear the G. That's right. What about K-N? Which one do we hear? Emma? The N. That's right. Make sure I'm not missing any here. That's in our spelling words. Shh. Boys and girls, we're quiet. Just making sure I'm not missing one that we have this week. What about G-N? Which one do we hear? Which one do we hear, Isaiah? The N, that's right. Okay, I think that's all we have in our spelling. Oh, no, one more. The W-R, what does that say, Heather? The R sound, the sound. So these letter combinations have a silent letter, and we're going to have these in our spelling words this week. Okay, so let's sound out some words in our phonics, then I'll show you what our spelling words are. All right, everybody, let's do it together. Sound. Sound.
I.
Blend.
Sigh.
Sound. Blend.
Size.
Word.
Size.
Very good. All right, let's have yellow. Sound. Now this Y says I. Sound.
I.
Put it together.
I.
Word.
Shine.
Very good. Let's have green go. Let's see. Sound. Green. Sound.
I.
Blend.
I.
Word.
I.
Very good. Red. Sound. Remember what IGH says. Sound. I. Put it together.
Sigh.
Word.
Sigh.
Very good. Purple. Let's see. Purple. Let me hear you, Alyssa. What? Or not Alyssa, Sadie. Sound. Blend. Right. I know, honey. I got it mixed up. Sound. Blend. Word. Very good. It's like I write the word. All right, now blue. Sound. Sound. I. Remember, IGH is I. Blend it.
My.
Sound. Blend.
Might.
Word.
Might.
Very good, Blue. Okay, let's do some two-syllable words. All right, let's all do the first one together. Syllable. Remember, AY says A. Syllable. Let's put it together. Corbin. Word. Very good. All right, yellow. Yellow. B. Put it together. Very good, yellow. Green. Green. Put it together. Very good. Who was that? Green? Okay, red. Very good. Ning. ING always says ing, so put it together. Very good. Purple. This is from last week. Bow. Put it together. Very good. Now let's have blue. Cap. Put it together. Capsize. That's what happens to a boat like the Titanic. Capsize. That's okay. You'll have your third one back next week. Very good. Okay, let's look at our spelling words. All right. Oh, this is kind of hard to see. It's red. That's right. All right. I'll maybe if I scoot in, you can see it better. You'll be able to see it when you do it. All right. The first one is night. Night. The second one, the I says its name. Kind. The third one, the Y says I. Spy. The I says its name. Child. Corbin. KN says knife. I says its name. Find. Right. Right. I. High. Right. Right. Now we got two rights. This one is raise your right hand or go to the right. This one is I'm going to write a letter to Santa Claus. Okay? All right. Climb. Remember the B is silent. So climb, sign, and sigh. So we decided in tutorials, look at these. These two look the same. Let me write them on here. Yep. They almost look exactly the same. Oh, you can't see that one. Sigh and sign and sigh. Remember G8 or IGH says I. So that just says sigh. This one has the GN where we only hear the N. Sign. So this is like I saw a sign that said to slow down. This one's like I sigh when my mom tells me to clean my bedroom. Okay? All right. So now our two bonus words. Now when we have child, but when we add this syllable, now it becomes not children. What is it? Children. That's what makes that one tricky. This one's tricky. We know that word. Kind. And then if we add this, kindness. So those are our two challenge words for this week.